와우. 와우. 오, 너무 맛있다. So delicious.好吃. Hello everybody. Welcome to Bab's Home Cooking Channel. Today I will cook this mapadubu. Do you know tofu? Yes, very delicious. We use this mincemeat and shrimp and without any mapadubu sauce. You know, I will show. And then I prepared this everything, and then mincemeat I already fried, also shrimp already fried, and the tofu, and then green onion and the starch. This is I put a little bit starch because in the water, do you know? And the garlic and red paprika. When I eating this one was fantastic. I was so surprised, you know, very delicious. If you have time, please look at and please try. It's really delicious. Okay, let's start to make. You know, this already I fried, you know, and then we put this paprika, this much. Maybe a little bit more. Put the garlic. Nice smell, very nice. Put the soybean sauce. Nice. You know, this already I did all cooked, you know, so no problem. Now I will put a little bit water. Yes, little bit more. Yes, water prepare little good. Smell is fantastic. Oh, really very nice. And then we put this tofu. Wow. Oh, amazing this taste, yeah. Nicely. Wow, really nice. Fantastic. Very nice. You know, normally here, starch, I prepared this with water, a little bit put here, but it's okay, no need this one. It's okay now, as it is, no problem. Yes, now finish it. Ready? Looks so very nice. Yes, I will try. Oh, you know, it's mapadubu. We put a little shrimp. It's amazing, you know. Wow. Looks so delicious. Wow. Yes. Yeah, wait. Thank you.